down in the mouth. I'm getting nothing here. Nothing. Come on, give us a smile. I want to be left alone. That's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I got a union in my throat. Anyway, well, I know how you feel. You must let it pass you down. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing, and someday someone's going to come along and kiss me and release my inner youth. And then I say to myself, nah, get real. Who wants to snog a frog? You know what our trouble is? No. Our image isn't vogue. It's all just a question of taste. But you mark my words, one day ugly will be in.